Welcome everybody to a new episode. We smashed the windshield, many G-wiz with the flat windshield get damaged. Maybe the chassis get bent or something. Anyway, it's super rusty over here on top, and what we gotta do, focus, we have to remove all the rubber, and as you can see it get rusty on top, here on the side, and where the windshield sit here, and maybe you can see better here. Maybe it needs, before putting the windshield, some kind of soft silicone here. Anyway, we will scratch all this, making all new and shiny, and we will install the new windshield. We saved this rubber because it's hard to find over here. We saved also this frame here. I think this is it's here from the interior. I don't remember anymore, but anyways, you gotta be very careful here because it's so rusty that you see there are holes, so we have to be very gentle scratching this. Then we will somehow reconstruct these holes, and that's pretty much. It's quite a mess. It's not well made seal, and you see there are also cracks here, and probably on this side as well. Oh yeah, here is even worse. I'm not sure if I have to remove this one. It's in fairly decent condition, and you notice this rubber frame actually goes all the way down there. So yeah, you can see here, really bad condition. Another angle, you can see better. So this one was basically was like this. And another thing is, once we have the new windshield, we'll have to put silicone all around. And I don't know, first time we do this, let's see how it goes. So yeah, still rusty here, and we cleaned up this area quite okay. We still have to remove this old paint, black paint here. Same result here. Very smooth, kind of. And we'll remove the paint here as well. And yeah, it's almost ready. Whoa. So the tool you need is this one, and you just go along the frame, removing all this silicone that somebody put. I don't know if it's came out like this. Anyways, and then this brush to remove the old black paint. Here's not coming very well, but here it was so easy. And then you need this brush to remove the excess of rust, and after that you need oxystop with it's a white thing, and you put it and then it turns black and it stops oxidation. We are almost done. Here it's so consumed that when you brush, just a few brush, otherwise you see there are holes, so don't exaggerate. Here it's okay, here as well, and this is it. So these 3 tools you need, and the oxystop. Okay, now we remove all the old black paint, and we have a clean, kind of shiny frame, sort of. And I need to scratch here a little bit more. Yeah, we're about to remove the dust and put the oxystop. So yeah, this is the oxystop. I got a mask, that's why my voice is like this. And you just stand it all over and you let it sit for a while, and that's pretty much like this. Okay, after like 15 minutes you see the oxystop from white turned to, I don't know what color is that, anyway. And this will give a kind of a layer of protection against oxidation. And so yeah, eventually maybe after that we'll put some anti-rusty spray, or maybe directly we'll spray the frame all black.